Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are opening a 3 liter can of Iliada Kalamata PDO olive oil. Oh, okay. Did you see that? That is complicated. Okay, so I'm just figuring it out, guys. I'm playing it by the ear, as you saw. Okay, so I was just supposed to break those seals. I don't know if you saw, there was like 8 seals or something, and then I think you turn it. Oh, and voila, it's opened. Okay, and then, but I saw somewhere somehow it came up. So let's see. Okay. Okay. So suppose this one is probably just slightly different. Okay. Yeah, and now it's closed again. Okay, and then this is rather interesting. The. Okay, so guys, we did it! Yay! Okay, so that's how you open a can, or a tin rather. Okay, there, you can close it. So I shouldn't push it down. According to what I know, I mustn't push it down. So I'm going to keep it like this. This is how it's going to remain. And this is how you open it. And that's how you close it. Okay, so I'm trying this new olive oil out. I heard the more the olive oil is in dark spaces is the better the olive oil becomes. So this is good olive oil. So essentially this is what the bottle looks like after you lift. So after you pull the two plastic flaps, you pull them together steadily, just so that that thing that's protruding, that plastic container that's protruding can stick out nicely, and then that's how it stands. Okay, so I see it's leaking a little bit here. Just trying to do it from here so I can get good lighting. But as you can see, here's what it essentially looks like. Yeah, it's a whole can of olive oil, and the importance of having it inside of a can is that um, the light mustn't get the oil. So the more the oil stays in dark places, just like this can inside, that's why it didn't come in a plastic container. So the reason why it's covered in metal is so that it preserves the essentials of the olive oil. So yeah, it doesn't get exposed to sunlight. That's the best kind of olive oil that you can get. An olive oil that you find in a dark container. And this costed me about 400 Rand for a 3 liter from Dis-Chem, South Africa. Yay, guys! I did it. We did it. Thank you for joining me. Okay, I'll see you on the next mini tutorial.